first person motivation. I have been knocked down before. I have faced failure. I have felt the pain of struggle. But every single time, I got back up. I found a way. I refused to stay down. Because I am not built to break. I am not built to surrender. I am not built to quit. I rise no matter what. I do not fear failure. I use it. I do not run from pain. I embrace it. I do not fold under pressure. I rise above it. I have survived things that should have destroyed me. I have overcome struggles that tried to break me. I have walked through fire and came out stronger. Life will test me, but it will not defeat me. Obstacles will challenge me, but they will not stop me. People will doubt me, but their doubts do not define me. I don't let setbacks break me. I let them build me. I do not let struggles shake me. I let them strengthen me. I do not let fear control me. I master it. Because I rise no matter what. I am not fragile. I am not weak. I am not a victim. I am resilient. I am powerful. I am unbreakable. I do not need easy. I just need possible. I do not need perfect. I just need progress. I do not need approval. I just need to keep moving. I am the type of person who refuses to stay down. I am the type of person who fights for what I want. I am the type of person who gets back up every single time. Because nothing can stop me. Because nothing can shake me. Because I rise no matter what. I do not break. I do not quit. I do not surrender. I keep moving. I keep fighting. I keep rising. I rise no matter what.